India shares its longest international border with Bangladesh, stretching for 4,096 kilometers. But over the years, tension and security challenges have been rising along this border. A recent alarming incident in Tripura has once again raised the serious concern. In Tripura, base of soldier patrolled the border as a part of their routine security duty. Suddenly, a group of 15 to 20 Bangladeshi smugglers attacked them. The BSF responded immediately, leading to a violent clash. During this attack, one BSF soldier was injured, while one Bangladeshi smuggler was killed. Reports suggest that 13 to 14 smugglers have been arrested. This incident raised the critical questions. How did so many Bangladeshi smugglers manage to attack the BSF? Bangladesh also has its own border security force, the Border Guard Bangladesh (BGB). Ideally, the BGB should prevent illegal border crossing, but in this case, they failed to stop the smugglers. This raised the serious security concerns for India. If such incidents continue, BSF will face a growing challenges in maintaining border security. One of the major reasons for this vulnerability is a lack of complete fencing. Out of 4,096 kilometers, around 800 kilometers of India-Bangladesh border is still not a proper fenced. This allows easy illegal crossing, smuggling, and even criminal activities. India has taken steps to secure the border, but gap remain. With increasing threats, securing the entire border has become a national priority. The Indian government is aware of these challenges and has been working toward the strengthening border security. Plans to fence the remaining 800 kilometers of the border are being discussed. This will prevent illegal activities, ensure better security for both countries. Now let's take you to another unfolding event. Disaster strike the Himalayas once again. A massive avalanche hit a bro workers camp in a Chamoli, Uttarakhand, trapping 54 workers. On the morning 28 February 2025, around 5:30 a.m., deadly avalanche hit a border road organization (BRO) camp near Mana village in Chamoli. The workers engaged in a crucial highway widening project were caught off guard as a massive snow and debris hit their shelters. In a desperate attempt, rescue team braved extreme weather conditions to save the trapped workers. While some workers were pulled out alive, sadly four lost their lives. The search continues for remaining missing workers as the snow and freezing temperature make the operation increasingly difficult. The fragile Himalayan ecosystem is becoming increasingly prone to natural disaster. Scientists believe that climate change is accelerating glacier melting, making avalanches and flashy flood more frequent and deadly. In 2021, a similar disaster took over 200 lives in the region. The Indian government has intensified relief efforts deploying specialized rescue team and military helicopters. But the question remains, are we prepared for such a disaster in the future? Should strict safety measures be enforced for working in high risk areas? This tragic event is a harsh reminder of nature's power and the risk faced by those working in extreme conditions. Our heart go out to the victims and their families. If you found this video informative, share it to spread awareness and stay updated with us for more real-time news. Thank you.